I know what you say. Say I could have treated you better or whatever, but I don't know. I think I did all right.
Guess what, guys? I found my tooth after I blamed the dog. Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. And now I paid $1,700 for nothing. Down the drain. But at least I have a backup to refresh the house after Christmas. I don't know about you, but I feel really cluttered around my house when there's Christmas items. So we're gonna go and remove the Christmas decor and zhuzh up the house. So I don't know if my style is minimal, but definitely I like less clutter. So yeah. Okay, so in my quest to declutter and organize, I do have a fascination with trays like this. I got vintage. Everything, pretty much 90% of my home is vintage. But I was taking these out of the bathroom, which I got from Goodwill. And I figured I could just arrange them. Yeah, I do have a lot of trays in my home, but they do help to corral items. And I think it looks pretty. Yeah, it looks good. I'm so lucky to have this big, huge room. I mean, this room is like, some people's whole studio apartments are as big as this room. But what I want to do now is, I mean, it sucks that you can see the back of this, but that's just how I have my TV. I like watching TV, guys. Especially because I used to be so wild. I used to always be outside. I'm in my soft girl era. I'm about to start this other degree program. And so this winter time is my time of relaxation. So let's swap out this duvet. I have the marble tray for this side table. When Target starts doing a lot of things like that, you know it's a little passé. So we're gonna remove the disco ball. I just have a simple little bedside table. That's what I got for my husband at Goodwill. So cute. Hope he likes it.
I think I did all right.
On this side, I kept it very simple with just the thrifted tray, cute Louis box, and a coaster. It's like marble coaster. I got it a long time ago. But I like when people use coasters. And yeah, this piece is made out of parchment paper, believe it or not. And I really like it because it's huge. I mean, you can fit so much stuff. Look, junk, makeup, you can fit a lot of stuff in there. And that piece is missing a glass top. But what I did over here is I just added a couple dark elements like that picture from Ukraine and that little vase. And it's so funny because this picture from Ukraine, when I got it, it had a cigarette butt in it. And that's how you know it's legit vintage, you know? Okay, so like I said before, it's time to remove this. Since Target is inundated with these things, but the room is cleaned up, refreshed. It's definitely pared back. Yes, this is what I'm going for. Okay, so now let's go downstairs and I'm gonna show you what I did with my linens, and we can also take the Christmas decor off the bar area. So I put all my tablecloths and linens in this drawer. To me, this is the definition of success, when you have all these drawers dedicated for linens. That down, this down, this down. I think I am gonna leave this little star because I think it just looks so pretty. But I'm gonna end the vlog there, guys. See you next time.